Hey guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Eduaide's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Eduaide's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in Eduaide.ai and make a search. Make sure that you're logged into your account and it will take you to the home page of Eduaide. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page and tap on Eduaide Chat. On the next page, at the bottom of the page, type in I want to delete my account in the text box and make a search. Follow the given instruction and that's how you'll be able to delete your Eduaide's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.